how to capitalize all the letters in Excel in uppercase. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some easy methods in order to do so you can follow up this step-by-step tutorial for that, and make sure to watch this video till the end in order to get it. So for that, what we can do is we can open our Excel document and open up the document which we would like to capitalize. Now we have this data available here. Now if we want to convert it, so what we can do is we can go to a new cell, and in the new cell we can just go and type in is equal to and type in upper, and here you need to type in a bracket. After that, you can select up the data that you would like to convert. For example, this apple is the first data I would like to convert, so you can select it like this and it will show up A1. Now you can close the cell and hit enter, and you can see the letters being changed into capital. You can select it. After that, you can just go over and drag and drop it like this, and after that you can just go over like this and drag and drop it, and when you do, you can see the whole letters being changed. You can just go over and drag the formula down to apply it to other cells as well, and copy the result, paste special. If you want to remove this, you can remove it, and then you can just go over and you can see the changes as well, and there we go. But usually this is how you basically copy the result, paste special values. If you want to replace the original text, you can just go over and do so, and that will change the letter into capital. Or what we can do is we can flash fill, which is very fast. So for that, we can just go over and in a new column we can manually type the text in capital ones. For example, banana itself. And once you do so, you can press Ctrl+E once you've selected it. For example, this right here, and you can select the table like this, and you can press Ctrl+E and it will directly save all the changes, making it capital. And it's very easy. And apart from that, you can use Excel shortcut as well. So you can select up the cells like this, and you can just go and press Ctrl+1 as well sometimes, and go to the font section here at the top, and within font we can choose the option for all caps here. If you can just go and select the option of all caps here, and then apply the changes, click on OK and confirm this up, and that should also do it. Sometimes this option is not available, but if that option is available, you can directly apply the changes and the data will be entered in capital once you apply the changes. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up if you'd like to go ahead and make uppercase letters in Excel. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.